Hello. Hi, I'll be installing this complete HYIP investment system from Codecanyon on our hosting platform. At the moment, the script looks nice. You can see the demo. Click to open, and how it is as well. All looks good. So, yeah. I'm just gonna log into the hosting panel, make sure everything is working fine. Come down to File Manager, click on Public HTML. I've already extracted these files on the public HTML. So come here, double click, select all, move across. So come on to the domain name. So 505 there, which is fine. Come here, come to install folder, /install. Now it says terms of use, license. Okay, next agree. Server requirements all good. Next step. Now it says here, which is the error most people always have. Permission 0775. So easy to fix. I come back to my control panel, make sure it says call storage. So I come here, click on call, add permission 775. Make sure this stick. Tick on recursive here, change permission, continue. Take some time to install. Come here, you check, all good. Straight away. Next, there should be username, purchase code, database name, host password. For security reason, I'm just gonna blank all this one out as well on my screen. Then here. So let's go. So you see, all good. Click on go to websites. That's it. Just gonna go back again. I think I missed something out here. Say please delete the install folder from the server. Come here, come back, delete. All good. That's it. That's it. Never. Oh yeah, set up the Chrome. Copy. We need to automate the Chrome possibly. Set the Chrome as once 15 minutes. So come here. Chrome. Add the Chrome command. Description schedule. Let me set every hour. Save Chrome. Oh good. Close. That's it. All done. Thank you guys for watching.